Controversy this afternoon and evening about an Israeli government official who left the country after an arrest for a sex crime. We thank you for joining us at 6. I'm Brian Loftus.
And I'm Denise Valdez. As 8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne tells us state law allowed him to pay his bail before ever seeing a judge.
An Israeli official reportedly back in Israel after being arrested here in southern Nevada on a sex crime. The question, not so much how did he get out of the country, as how did he get out of jail to begin with?
Acting United States Attorney Sigal Chattah taking to social media Monday night, saying, quote, a liberal district attorney and state court judge in Nevada failed to require an alleged child molester to surrender his passport, which allowed him to flee our country. In fact, that Israeli official, Tom Alexandrovich, who is upper management with the Israel National Cyber Directorate, in town for a cybersecurity conference, where police say he chatted online with a decoy who posed as a 15-year-old girl and never saw a judge, which, if you get arrested in or around Las Vegas, is business as usual.
That's the common practice set by the court.
District Attorney Steve Wolfson, who wouldn't address the acting U.S. Attorney's post at all, says Alexandrovich posted what's known as standard bail, in this case paying the Henderson Justice Court $10,000, which is a number set by the state legislature for this particular sex crime, for which 7 other men were arrested as part of a sting that also resulted in the arrest of a local pastor. Wolfson pointing out a few of those defendants also paid the so-called standard bail.
And they were released upon the posting of that bail. So there was no court involvement. There was no prosecution involvement. This is the normal practice. It is very standard in this community and many communities across the country.
District Attorney Wolfson telling me it would be normal in this case or many other cases for a defendant to send his or her attorney to court and not appear at the next hearing at all. Reporting at the Regional Justice Center, Kyle Payne, 8 News Now.
Now, at some point, he'll have to come back to the country and appear in court. The next hearing scheduled for August 27th. The 8 News Now investigators have learned that this individual has hired high-profile criminal attorney David Chesnoff to represent him. Chesnoff telling the 8 News Now investigators in a statement in part, quote, we intend on defending this matter within the justice system, not the media. People should not rush to judgment, and everyone is presumed innocent.